Look at the healthy buffalo. And welcome to Malaiba River. Let's go to the falls. It's a waterfalls. The majestic waterfalls in Barangay Malaiba, Canlaon City. So look at the crystal clear waterfalls. It's a majestic waterfalls in Malaiba, Canlaon City. It's a free, no entrance. It's a free. Everybody's welcome to enjoy majestic waterfalls. Everybody's welcome. It's a free. Yes, when I was young, I used to spend my time here during weekend, like 4 hours every weekend. We're enjoying here with my childhood friends. So hi, shout out to my childhood friends. Where are you now? I miss you all, guys. Before we used to grill, like subbag bisol, grilled corn, anag, everything we can do here. We can take our lunch during weekend here in the river. Waterfalls, maglaba, magsubbag bisol, everything we can do here. Magpalunang magkabaw, karabaw, palunang. Then we enjoy here. Ato mi mag abat-abat. Sobrang what a amazing childhood experience. What an amazing experience in Barangay Malaiba River. So guys, keep safe and God bless everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.